Hello, Blaine here, Plastering for Beginners, and today we're going to stick some plasterboard on with foam. We're going to test it, see if it works, and see if this bad boy is worth thinking about. Okay, so the usual way I stick plasterboard to a solid wall is usually with board adhesive. I find it's the best thing to use, I find it gets the best results. But now there's a thing, it's called Mega Stick. It's apparently a quality professional PU adhesive, and it sticks most construction materials and it bonds plasterboard, which is the most bit, probably the bit we're most bothered about. So I'm going to do a little test. It's not going to be a long video, hopefully. What we're going to do is foam the back of this board and try and stick it onto the wall. So it is a file backboard. Apparently you can use it for that. I'm going to... Oh, little explosion. Not too good at this. It's going everywhere. Let's try it again. Look at that, made the right pig's ear of it. So for reference, I hate this stuff. I really do. And I used board adhesive all the way. Some plasterers, you love it. I fucking hate it. So, but let's do a little test anyway, because it's pretty handy for a little patch like that, isn't it? So, what we do now, you put it on, or you try to squirt it on. It's not a Picasso, that is it? It's not some nice foaming. And what you've got to do now is wait around 5 minutes. But the idea is, still soaking, but you wait for it to start going tacky. When it goes tacky, it starts to get a bit firm, that's when you throw it on. And hopefully, it sticks. So let's wait a minute. I won't bore you. I've actually PVA'd this. Probably don't need it. It says you don't need to PVA it, but I like to PVA everything I work with. So this has been PVA. Apparently Dan was here, 27th for the 1st, 2020. That's pretty recent. So yeah, let's come back in a minute. Right, so what you want, see it's got a bit of firmness to it. I mean, you could wait a bit longer, but it's been around 5-6 minutes. As you can see, put your hand on it, and it's not leaving residue. So I've got some packers on the floor. I'm going to go for it because I'm impatient. I can't be bothered waiting. By the way, I'm the biggest hater on foam, so what you do is you gently push it in, not all the way. Use your level. Pack it out. It's actually quite good. Foam could come out a little bit. Nice. That's on. Now I suppose we wait, see what happens. But to be fair, it is on. And it's straight. Okay, let's wait. So, it's been about an hour. That's how long you're supposed to wait for it. I must admit, it is completely solid. I didn't actually do this side. My mate Dan put me onto this. And I must admit, I'm very impressed. That is not going anywhere. It's not flapping about. It doesn't sound like it's moving. It won't crush in. That is good. So, if you wanted to stick a quick board on, I mean, this blew me away. I usually hate foam, but yeah, that does do the job. I mean, you can use it on full boards. I'm going to stay away from that for now, but if I ever change my mind, I'll do a video soon. So yeah, if you want to quickly throw a board on without using board adhesive, use this foam. Special one, use a PU base so it'll stick, but yeah, it works. Nice one. See you on the next one. I will say, if you want to learn the full process of plastering, click the link below in the description, and that's an invite to join our welcome course. It's what we offer to anyone who's starting plastering. Teach how to plaster a wall, how to mix the plaster perfectly so you can get it on, how to prepare your walls, and everything far and in between. So yeah, feel free to join up to that. If you like this video, please like, leave any comments behind, and thank you so much.